I got 3 items that are going to help you keep your Honda clean and organized.
I'm forever unclean.
Keep it clean, keep it clean.
And organized.
First up, LASFit. It's like the adult version of clean underwear. Nobody's going to notice if you got them, but if you don't, everybody's going to know. Well, they're making a change to the LASFit, and I got the fronts and the backs for like $75, so I'm going with this one today. Let's open her up. Again, the packaging on this is just incredible. Here they're protected in a box. The box is protected with plastic. And the delivery guy even had a nice handle for them. Let's open this up. Another plastic bag. I'll get my knife again. Look at this. The back seat is one single piece. So far, I like these better than the WeatherTech we put in my wife's Accord. These look great. I think I'm going to set them out in the sun and let them warm up a little bit. Here comes the floor mat for the rear. And that fits perfectly. Takes up every little bit of room, every little bend and corner. It's got the seat rails. Everything's taken into effect. These are perfect. Before I do the fronts, I'm going to vacuum everything out. There we go. They're molded, they're heavy duty, and they fit tighter than Ghislaine Maxwell's plea deal. You drop them in, they snap into place, just like they were designed by a serial killer arranging his tools. There doesn't seem to be a locking mechanism on the passenger side, but there is one on the driver's side of the mats so that they don't ever creep up too much forward or too far back. Again, that just fits like a glove. I just put these LASFit mats in, and so far I really like them. The fitment's perfect. They seem a little more rubbery than the WeatherTech. Exactly what I was looking for, yet they don't have any off-gassing. I'm not picking up on any, but we'll see when the car sits in the sunlight for a day. Here's the LASFit, completely covering the dead pedal. And it's got these little locking mechanisms so the mat doesn't slide forward or back. Because I know sometimes I've heard they get messed up and they can actually interfere with your pedals. It won't happen. Man, these fit like a glove and look terrific. Help me out, folks. What do I do with the old mats? They're in decent condition. They're just not epic like the LASFit. And just to compare, here's the WeatherTech mats that I keep in my wife's Accord. Besides being dirty, they've worked out okay. Over here on the driver's side, it does cover the dead pedal. And it does have the locking mechanism so that the mats don't slide forward or back. I've been happy with them, but I think I'm going to like the LASFit a little better because on the sides, they're trayed up and it'll capture all this garbage that collects on the side. I got to power wash these mats out for my wife while she's out of town. Next up, the cargo mat. I found this one on eBay. It showed up folded in half like it had been living under somebody's bed for months. Out of the box, it looked like a crumpled tortilla. The solution, leave it in the sun. 20 minutes later, the folds are gone, looks brand new, and honestly, it fits great. It protects the trunk from questionable fluids, groceries, or I don't know, a body if you're having a bad week. Some have spent thousands on carbon fiber spoilers. I spent $50 on plastic to keep my cargo area from smelling like spoiled milk. Who's the real genius? And finally, the Amazon Cargo Organizer. This thing keeps all your junk from rolling around like you're driving a mobile garage sale. It's got dividers, it anchors down decently, and actually fits the hatch space without looking like you stole it from a minivan. For me, it's where I stash cleaning supplies, jumper cables, and that weird stash of bungee cords everybody mysteriously owns. Keeps the Civic from looking like a teenager's bedroom floor. If you're here for horsepower and dyno charts, you're in the wrong place. This is an infomercial about not living like an animal. So there you have it. 3 mods, 0 tools, almost 0 brain cells, and you can really change the impact on how your Civic looks and feels. Floor mats, cargo mat, and a cargo organizer. Simple, effective, and they might even trick people into thinking you're responsible. Go ahead and install yours. And while you're at it, drop me a comment. Let me know what your favorite interior mod is. Or just tell me I suck. Either way, I'll read it. Smash the like button if you like this video. If you really want, subscribe. Help me get to that magical number 35. I'm so close to 35 subscribers, I can just feel it. So who doesn't love a little organization in their trunk? Plus, it's a good place to keep a couple of treats for Cooper the shop dog.